Alright, my lovelies, here I am back again to do my post-market wrap-up on a pretty interesting day, although not a surprise at all to you if you follow this blog here, and we're going to cover a few things here. So my lovely, of course, post-market wrap-up for today, Monday, August 27th, 2018. A trifecta of records for the stock market. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ over 8,000 for the first time in history, and the Russell 2000, the small cap index. Again, why this should not be a surprise to anyone on the planet Earth right now is because there's nowhere else to go. Nowhere else to go. The environment here is maximum risk. It's insane. It really is. Where do you want to put your cash? You want to put your cash into the bond market? You've got to be as high as a kite if you want to do that, gauging at what the stock market is doing here. You want to be in the dollar or any other fiat currency? You've got to be nuts with world central banks printing cash out of thin air, adding it to digital screens, buying everything in sight to make sure everything stays propped up. Can't be there. Gold or silver, absolutely, these are, without a doubt, the best long-term trades on earth, in my opinion here. Bet against the debt, become your own central bank. However, in this environment, it is hard to even justify, buying it, because what's going to happen? They're going to slam it down. You know they're going to do that. Every single time gold or silver catch a bid, we get that mysterious dump onto the market, which no one wants to look at, including our president. I've written to everybody on the earth, and some off the earth. But seriously, nobody wants to talk about it. It's just being ignored, and this is going to happen until we hit that wall, which is coming. Now, there are some that will argue, you should be in Bitcoin, you should be in a cryptocurrency. Here's my issue, and I posted this today several times. I have nothing against cryptocurrencies. I have, and this is me, I have lost the ability to gauge its value in this environment. Moreover, everyone keeps telling me it's a buy. Well, based on what? I can't value this anymore. So that's another reason why I got rid of it when I did. I'm having a very difficult time with cryptocurrencies. For all I know, and this is the truth for you cryptomaniacs that are probably flipping out right now, these assets could be the most undervalued in the history of the world. But I cannot. I've lost my mojo when it comes to the ability to value these things. So with that said, if I'm unable to do it for myself, I'm not going to touch the darn thing. With regard to the stock market, I know this is a rigged game to the nth degree, but it's so simple. It is so simple. Get on the long side of this market, however you want to do it, and just sit there, because that's the environment. It's being engineered as a risk-on trade for as far as the eye can see. It's not going to stop. Media blackout with regard to everything that we should be knowing with regard to what's happening with Italian debt, Turkey, the German banks, gone. If they can control the narrative, they put everybody at ease. President Trump keeps talking about how this is the greatest recovery ever. Meanwhile, we just found out that there is a slowdown occurring, believe it or not, here in the United States with regard to our factories. They must have not gotten the memo about the economic boom. I don't know. It seems like a lot of people aren't getting that memo these days. However, with the president talking like this, with trade deals, which may or may not happen, I don't know. Market is going up. Midterms coming very, very soon. Stocks are going higher. That's it. That's the environment we are in. I've been explaining this to you for like ever now. And the market will not be allowed to correct. The market will not be allowed to find a fair value. No asset here has a real price discovery mechanism behind it whatsoever. Not even one. Anything. Housing, currencies, debt, stocks, metals. With regard to Cryptocurrencies, well, I don't know there either. I'm lost with the cryptos. You know that. I just covered it at length. So anyway, this is what we can expect moving forward. Big rally anyway on Wall Street today. No surprise. They got the 10-year yield where they want it. It's been stuck there and actually moving deeper into that sweet spot for a long time. Dollar weaker. Metals actually did catch a bid today. What that means, I don't know. Probably means tomorrow they're going to hit it. I don't know. It's crazy. I don't know what we can do, really. I've tried everything, written to everyone. I thought maybe if we all got together and did the same thing, someone would look at it. But I know for a fact that a few thousand of you actually did do that. Well, what's happened? Nothing. And nothing will happen here in this environment. There's no doubt about it. It's a shame. All right, with that said, we will reconvene in this lovely spot right here tomorrow morning. Going to be more fun. I'll see you then.